example 5, I have 3 coordinates. So idhula vandu A, B, C kuduthirukku. I have to find if these given vertices are vertices of a right triangle. Right triangle na enna artham? For example, if I have A, B, C to be my right triangle, I want AC square equals AB square plus BC square. Correct? So adha nama prove panna porom. My vertices can be ABC, or it can also be ACB, or it can also be CAB. Eppadi vena irkalam. Okay? So I am not going to draw the rough figure for you. I am going to find my answers and then see which will be the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side. Correct? So first let me find the distance. So distance AB enna? Z2 minus Z1 the whole square. So AB na, this will be my x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. So z2 minus z1 enna? 30 minus 9 the whole square plus y2 minus y1, which is 20 minus 6 the whole square, plus x2 minus x1, 10 minus 3 the whole square under a square root. Okay, so if AB square enna, I can remove my square root. So what will I have? 30 minus 9 is 21, 20 minus 6 is 14 square, plus 10 minus 3 is 7 square. So enna varum? 21 square is 441, plus 14 square is 196, plus 7 square is 49. So when I add them, enna varum? 441, 196, 49. 9 plus 1, 10, 16. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 1, 4, 5, 6. 686. So this will be my AB square. Now next BC paakalam. So what is BC? Square root of Z2 minus Z1. Now this Z2 ngadnala, I will take this as x1, y1 and z1. So Z2 minus Z1 is 30 minus 5 the whole square plus y2 minus y1. So 20 minus 41. So it will be 20 plus 41 plus x2 minus x1. So 10 minus 25 the whole square. Okay, so when I remove the square root on both sides, I'll have BC square equals 30 minus 5 and 25 square plus 20 plus 41 is 61 square plus 10 minus 25 is minus 15 square. If 25 square 15 square la eppadi pannalam? You have a shortcut. 25 times 25 na, first you do 5 5s are 25. Then inga enna number irukku? I have a 2. So what is 2 into what is the number after 2? 3. So 3 2s are 6. Okay, அதே மாதிரி 15 square எப்படி பண்ணலாம்? 15 times 15 na, first 5 5s are 25, then 1 times what is the other next number? 2. So 2 1s are 2. இதே மாதிரி 95 க்கும் பண்ணலாம். 95 times 95 என்ன? 5 5s are 25. I have 9. 9 க்கு அடுத்த number 10. So 9 10s are 90. So 95 into 95 is 9025. Okay, this is a shortcut that you can remember. So this will be 25 square enna? 625 plus 15 square enna? 225. What is 61 square? 61 into 61. அது பண்ணி தான் ஆகணும். So 161. இந்த இடத்துல 0. 6 1s are 6. 36. 1, 12, 7, 3. Okay, so it will be 3721. So I need to add these values. So I have 3721 plus 625 plus 225, which will be 5 plus 5, 10, 11. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 plus 6, 13, 14, 15. 1, 4, 5, 7, 1. So I have 4, 5, 7, 1 is my BC square. Now I need to find my AC square. So AC square enna? I'll erase this. Now AC square, I'll simply square it. Okay, I'm not writing the square root. So I have x2, z2 minus z1. So first A, B, C, D, okay. So I have A, which is 3, 6, 9. C, which is 25 minus 41, comma 5. So this is my x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. So AC square enna? Z2 minus z1, which is 5 minus 9 the whole square, plus y2 minus y1, minus 41 minus 6, plus x2 minus x1, 25 minus 3 the whole square. So this will be 5 minus 9 enna? 4. So minus 4 square plus minus 41 minus 6. So it will be minus 47 square plus 25 minus 3, 22 square. So this will be 16 plus 47 enna? 7 7s are 49, 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 7 4s are 28, 2 4 4s are 16, 17, 18. So 9, 10, 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 1, 2, 0, 9 plus 22 square enna? 22 times 22. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 2s are 4, 4, 484. Okay, so 22 square will be 484. Now I need to add all these values. So I have 1209, 484 and 16. I'm going to add these. 6 plus 4, 10, 19, 1, 8, 9, 10, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So 1709. Okay. Sorry, when I add this, I'll have 2209. So in that light, it will be 2709. Okay. So my final answer will be 2709. Now what do I see? Okay. Now what do I see? AB square is 686. BC square is 4571. AC square is 2709. So I have, this is my largest number. So BC square equals AB square plus AC square. Check pannanom. Okay. I have to see if this is true. What is BC square? 4571 because this is the largest number. Then the other two are the smallest. So AB square is 686. Plus AC square is 2709. So what do I get when I add these two? 2709, 686. 9 plus 6 is 15, 1, 9, 13, 3. So I get 3395, which is not equal to 4571. So the given vertices are not a vertices of a right triangle. Not the vertices of a right triangle. Okay. So this is how you write your final step. So example 6, we are given the points A and B and we need to find out the equation. Find the equation of the set of point P such that this relation is given. So first P and then we'll take P as X, Y and Z. They are not asking us to find the coordinates X, Y and Z. Equation than kekranga. Okay. So PA na enna பண்ணுவோம். So the distance PA square is nothing but the distance PA whole square. Okay. So what is distance PA square? It will be Z2 minus Z1 the whole square and the formula. So I have the distance formula. This is my X1, Y1, Z1, X2, Y2, Z2. So Z2 minus Z1 the whole square. So 5 minus Z the whole square. Z kum 2 kum differentiate pannunga. Okay. Don't get confused between the Z and the 2. So 5 minus Z. Then I have 4 minus Y the whole square. Plus I again have 3 minus X. The whole square. So this is my PA square. Similarly, PB square enna. Now this will be my X2, Y2, Z2. So Z2 minus Z1 will be minus 7 minus Z the whole square plus Y2, Y1. So 3 minus Y the whole square plus X2, X1. So minus 1 minus X the whole square. So PA square plus PB square enna. I'll have 5 minus Z the whole square plus 4 minus Y the whole square plus 3 minus X the whole square plus minus 7 minus Z the whole square, 3 minus Y whole square plus minus 1 minus X the whole square equals 2K square. Okay. So if I A minus B the whole square formula, I'm going to open them. So I have 5 minus Z the whole square, which will be 25 plus Z square minus 2AB. So it will be 10Z plus again 4 4s are 16, Y square minus 8Y plus in the term 3 3s are 9 plus X square minus 6X. Now in the term, so I have plus 49 plus Z square minus 2AB, which will be 2 times minus 7Z. So it will be plus 14Z plus 3 minus Y the whole square is 9 plus Y square minus 6Y. In the term minus 1 whole square, which will be 1 plus X square minus 2AB. So it will be 2 times minus 1 times X. So 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. So it will become plus 2X equals 2K square. So if I have Z square, so 2Z square plus Y square, so 2Y square, then X square. Okay. So 2X square. Then Z order coefficients I have minus 10Z and I have 14Z. So minus 10 plus 14 is 4. So plus 4Z. Y enarku minus 8Y minus 6Y. So I have minus 8 minus 6 is minus 14. So I have minus 14Y. X enarku minus 6 plus 2. So minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. So minus 4X. Then what are all my constants? 25 plus 16, which will be 41 plus இந்த ரெண்டு முடிஞ்சது. What do I have here? 9 plus 49, which will be 58 Then I have 9 plus 1, which is 10. Okay, equals 2k square. So, when I add the constants, I have 41 plus 58 plus 10, which will be 99 plus 10, which will be 109. So, what do I have? 2z square plus 2y square plus 2x square plus 4z minus 14y minus 4x equals 2k square minus, idu add panna I have 109. So this is the equation. Okay.